Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another review of the show Utando Nestembo. So basically, guys, Umselegu is saying and telling his wives Yoguti in Daba Yoguti there's going to be new rules to the marriage. He's basically saying Guti Yena, he is done tired, he's tired of being a doormat for his wives, and he feels like his wives are not appreciative and that what he gives out is not the same energy and not the same support he gets back. So Mselegu calls a meeting with his wives and abatshela ukuthi, you remember the last time, one of the past seasons, he bought all of them a car. And he says that now one of the rules and the stuff that's going to be changing in their dynamics of their family is that people are basically going to have to qualify to get certain things. He says basically that he feels like it's unfair that he provides and takes care of his wives so well, and then some of them continue to be disrespectful because they know ukuthi Umselego is going to continue doing what he normally does for them. So in a nutshell, he's basically saying that umuntu, if you don't support him, if you don't support the family very well, there's certain things he's not going to be able to do for you. So he's saying that uyajabula ukuthi even ingane zakhe zikhulile and they will be able to see. So if ingane yabona ukuthi umawayo khona izinto angenzelwanga zona, that the child will now know ukuthi it is because of the mother's behavior. So he's saying if his wives are not behaving, if they can't support him, if they're always basically making a fuss out of stuff that they should be agreeing with him on, he is not going to be supporting umuntu the way he has been. So if basically he's saying ukuthi umuntu makazisebenzele yena ngokwakhe if they want certain things, but they should not just think ukuthi they're going to be disrespectful towards him and not support him and then expect him to still buy them cars, give the allowances that he gives and all of that. My take on this thing, guys, is that Umselegu set the standard, right? He set the standard for his wives ukuthi uzobanakekela. So I don't know ukuthi like what is the change now, or maybe he feels like, but that's my issue. Like, these are your wives, they're not your kids. Why should they work? Like, why should they earn your support? Like, why should they earn like you doing nice things for them? Because it's only like umzali that will normally like punish a child of awungilalelanga, or you didn't do A, B, and C, and thus I'm not gonna treat you out to this because you didn't listen to me. But you can't be doing that to your wife. Like, I don't understand how that makes sense to do it to your wife. I guess maybe it's his strategy in a sense that now wives will be now motivated to not be rebellious in a sense, because Umselegu does speak of some of his wives in a sense ukuthi bayazenzela and they are rebellious, and they do that because he's quiet and because they know he's going to continue like providing for them in a sense. But that just makes me think that kind of proves the point of why many women encourage other women that even if shadile, as a woman, you need to make sure that you at least have a side hustle, or you have a stream of income, or ways that you are making money for yourself. Because if this man decides to leave, how are you going to support yourself? Never mind leave. If this man decides to kick the bucket, if this man decides to pass on, or if this man decides to have a health issue and isn't able to provide, like, how are you going to do it? In this case, Msele was basically saying that people's standard of living is not going to be the same, right? He's not going to be taking care of his wives in the same type of way. And they should just know that. So no wife is going to be able to come and say, awungenzelanga ukuthi. Like, if you see Mselego not doing this for you as a wife, you must know ukuthi uwe izenzo zakho. And I'm just like, I angazi, like, what is the changes? Maybe this is his strategy of getting his wives to comply, to be much more respectful. Because as the seasons have been going, you can see ukuthi the Mseleko wives are like, each one is speaking the truth to their story. No one is trying to sugarcoat anything like season 1. And they've seen how Ubaba Mseleko like iyabaqhathanisa. They've seen how Ubaba Mseleko like is just after pushing his vision. And now clearly, like, for them, maybe they feel like they need to stand up for themselves and for their kids. So I don't know like what motivated it. Abanye are thinking maybe imali like is tight. And in Dabaga number 5, maybe like that's the reason why he's trying to downsize. But I'm just like, that's the thing, like if you're going to use that strategy on a woman, especially women like Mselegu's wives, it's not gonna work. You're just going to make them much more stubborn. Ngicabanga abantu like njengombali Mbali, like you can see on like ngokwakhe ukuthi she has a mind of her own. And if you're going to use that strategy on Umbali, uyazisebenzelela Umbali. That's why sometimes you've seen in previous seasons ukuthi she has still put first her work. And she's clearly said ukuthi like, sometimes like you guys say ukuthi I'm not available for stuff. I am working, and she's working for her kids and for herself. Umacelo Mamkulu basically said if Mseleko is speaking about her ukuthi if abantu abezwa and people are not supporting, then he's not going to give that support back. She's basically saying ukuthi akanandaba vele uMamkhulu akanandaba vele. Then uMayeni angazi ngoMayeni because and then Tobile, obviously she is working for herself, and in the family amongst the wives it does seem like she's the one who is better off in terms of finances. And I don't think this decision affects her much because Tobile, she honors her husband's word. She understands the vision of Isthembu and she's running with it, and good for her. So guys, tell me, what do you think of these new changes to the Mseleko family? Do you feel like it's going to make his wives support him much more, especially when it comes to decisions about, him kwandisa umndeni wakhe? Or do you feel like it's just going to drift them apart and make the wives even much more stubborn? Tell me what you think of this episode. Please do make sure that you like this video before you uphuma kuyona, and please do make sure that you subscribe. It is for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.